beautiful, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to unbox the March Lookfantastic box, and I opened this by mistake because I thought it was something else. So yeah, if you guys want to see what we got in the March Lookfantastic box, then keep on watching. Alright, so this month the box is purple, and let's see what they sent us this month. I'm curious to see what's inside. Very cute. I really like the color. Okay, let's see. Hello spring, we missed you. Yeah, I miss summer more than I miss spring. Wow, so cute, so bright, so colorful. Okay. Ooh, what? So pretty, like the color selection, everything is almost everything is pink. Very cute, look fantastic. I see what you did here. Okay, so first thing that catches my eyes is this from Bellapierre. This is the Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. Oh, I didn't know we will get an eyeshadow palette. I would have tried this in the video, but I didn't know. So this is the Peach Blossom palette from Bellapierre, and is worth £28.99. What? This little thing, 29 pounds. So it looks like this. Very nice colors, and I feel like the pens are way too large. So yeah, we have, I think they are all shimmers. I'm going to swatch them in a bit. It says 4 pressed eyeshadow powders, and we actually have the names on the back. I'm going to swatch them on my hand, but I feel like 30 euros, yeah, maybe around 30 euros for 4 eyeshadows. What? Add 4 euros more and you can buy the Latte 2 eyeshadow palette. I mean, why pay 30 euros for 4 eyeshadows when you can pay 4 euros more 34, 36, and you have 10 eyeshadows, mattes and shimmers. Anyway, I'm going to swatch them. So I'm going to start with this peachy color, and I think this is the Copper Mine. Okay, on camera it looks a little bit more orange, but it's not that orange. This is more like a coral shade color. It feels very soft, very buttery, but I'm going to build it a little bit. Okay, not bad. Anyway, moving on. I think this is the Hawaii, and is this shade right here. This is a shimmer. Okay, it feels very buttery. I'm going to build this a little bit. I don't know. It's not my favorite. Moving on, this is so pretty. This color right here, I think, is the Glisten. This is a shimmer too. Oh. Yeah, this is a shimmer. The first one is not a completely matte shadow, it's more like a satin. These two are shimmers, not crazy intense shimmers. This one is so beautiful. I hope you can see that. I'm so bad at doing swatches. And the last one is called Dahlia. This one right here. Oh, this is a shimmer too, so I guess we only have one semi-matte and 3 shimmers. And this is 30 euros. What a joke. Wow, that's cute. Let me build this. Actually, this is so beautiful. I think this should be the copper mine. Maybe I'm reading them wrong. But to be completely honest, I wouldn't pay 30 euros for 4 eyeshadows, 3 shimmers and 1 semi-matte. I don't know, I'm not trying to be shady here, but this is so expensive in my opinion, you know? Or maybe the price is wrong. I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys know what's the deal here, because something is wrong. Either the price, either, I don't know, this really costs 30 euros. I'm going to clean my hand. With 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade. Well, that's not completely matte, but this Bellapierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launching in this month's Lookfantastic beauty box, is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blendable, and the perfect size for traveling, with a handy mirror inside. Yes, it has a mirror inside, but the price is not. Yeah, that was the first product. Not impressed, to be honest, but I want to use it on my eyes in one of my videos maybe. And moving on, we have the Erno Lazlo. This is the Hydrate and Nourish Hydraphel Skin Supplement Lotion Hydrate. This has 15 milliliters and is £5.58. And I never tried this brand before. I'm curious to see how this works. I've heard good things about this brand. This is a toner. I feel like it's so small. Look how tiny this is. Look how tiny this is. This is made from plastic and is a weird plastic. Wow. Anyway, I want to see how this smells. It doesn't smell. Nope, it doesn't smell. This calming toner is perfect for dry and sensitive skin, formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. With a blend of active humectants, it boasts cell renewal to encourage soft and supple skin. Okay. Next I'm going to go with this guy. So this is the Transforming Body Lotion. With alpha hydroxy therapy. This is by the brand Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science. This has 30 milliliters and is worth £4. Clinically proven to significantly increase moisture levels in the skin up to 24 hours. Specially formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, the dry bumpy skin often around on the back on your arms. I think I have that. Is that called chicken skin or something like that? Because I do have it on my arms. This rich moisturizer uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. Okay. I like what I'm hearing. Let's see how this smells. I got that on my floor. How dare you? It smells nice. It's not a very powerful scent. That absorbed very quick, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm excited to try this because I do have chicken skin. I don't know if that's the name, right here on my arms, and that's called keratosis pilaris. Okay. So I'm excited to try this one and I hope it works. Next I'm going to go with this mask. I think that's, oh no, is exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. This is by the brand Minetan. This is the coffee scrub, 30 grams, and is worth £9.95. Made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients, this scrub will remove dry, flaky skin to leave you feeling fresh, soft, and with a more even skin tone. I want to smell this, even though I don't want to open it. I want to smell it, okay? These long nails, I can't do much with them, okay? Oh my god, this smells so good. Can I? No. Wow. And actually there's not much product inside. It smells delicious, and I got some on my finger. Should I? No. Well, no. Moving on, we have 2 more products to go. So we got some tweezers this month. This is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetics Company, if I'm not wrong. Yep, that's the brand. This is worth £8, and it says, this high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. Okay, I'm curious to see how this looks. Please me, tweeze me. Oh. Okay. Wow, so cute. Wow. It has this cap on. Looks kind of big for my liking. I like more finer ones. Let me show you mine. Yeah, this is a little bit more large. This one is a little bit more large, but I hope it works. I hope it's good. I don't have any hairs to pull out right now because I did my brows the other day. But yeah, interesting, and I hope they are good. And last but not least, we have a face mask. This is by the brand Starskin. I haven't tried this brand, but I've heard about it. And this is the 100% Camellia oil 2-step oil sheet mask worth £9. And I feel like oh no, that's the sheet mask. This is the oil. So I guess you break this inside, and I don't know. Girl, get your glow back with this Starskin facial sheet mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens skins, whilst the Nyanolacid mulberry, I don't know how to read this, mulberry bark extract and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy luminous complexion. Okay, alright guys, so this is all we got in March. Lookfantastic Box, very interesting products. Not gonna lie, I am not impressed with the eyeshadow palette. Other than that, I am curious to see how these products work for me. The tweezers, as I said, I hope they are good. This cream for that chicken skin, and the toner is like the toner and the eyeshadow palette, they are like but these other 4 products, I'm excited to try them. And this smells absolutely, you see, my mouth is watering already. It smells so good, I'm not even joking. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys received the same products, if you are subscribed to Lookfantastic Box. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.